Michael Morris here in the Gorilla Shop, and today I'm going to show you a motorized bicycle that I built. Okay, so let's take a look. It's right over here. Boom. Okay, so let me grab a seat here. So some of you might remember this old Briggs and Stratton motor here from, I think it was built in, according to the numbers on it, was built in 1973. And I made a video about trying to run it on propane. And so I'll put a link right here. So that didn't pan out because first thing, I couldn't design a carburetor to work the way I wanted it to and make it repeatable, and I definitely could not find an adapter kit for a 1973 Briggs and Stratton. I found this motor in my dad's garage a few years before he passed, and so what I decided to do was I just rebuilt the thing, completely took it apart, rebuilt it, and it's a 2 horsepower Briggs and Stratton Wizard motor that went on an edger, I believe. It was on an edger when I found it, and so I tried to hook it up to propane, and I did that really just to see if it ran, and it did. But I went ahead and finished it out like this, and I just want to kind of show you what I did to make it fit on this bike. I fabricated this aluminum piece here as a place to put the motor, and I don't know how to weld aluminum. As you can see, it looks pretty bad, but I watched some YouTube videos, bought an aluminum welder, and made it good enough. I made these parts on my CNC machine. You can see where I had to take some off of the paint off the frame to weld it there. This frame is from a company called Phatmoto, and they make bike frames just for this reason. Let me turn this bike around, but before I do that, let me show you some other things that I had to fabricate on this bike to get it to work. This carburetor intake right here, made this piece out of some bent aluminum pipe, and then made these plates here to go on it. I also, well, let me flip the bike around so I can show you something else. I also fabricated this block here that hooks onto the frame and holds the jack shaft or jack crank or jack something or another here. This clutch is just a centrifugal clutch, or what I always called a slip clutch growing up. It engages when the engine is revved to a certain RPM, and then it catches, turns this in turn turns this gear back here behind here, which turns the chain that turns the back wheel. And it is a the cool thing about it is the gas tank is built into the frame here. That's really cool. Also, it has disc brakes. You can see there, and up front, so it stops on a dime when it's adjusted right. And this is a true pedal bike, which means it's not designed to go from a standstill position. You need to pedal it a little bit, get it going, and then give it some gas, and the clutch kicks in. Also, got to show off my hillbilly ingenuity here from Home Depot. I wanted this seat to sit back as far as I could, and all the seat posts that I could find, they kind of went up a little too far and then went back. So this one gets as close to the frame as I can get it. Turn these handlebars upside down so it kind of gives a cafe racer kind of look to it. I really like the way the mag wheels look on it with this little hint of red. I'm not sure if I bought these forks at the same place I bought the frame. I don't think I did. And then the seat I think I just bought from Amazon. Nice big seat because I'm old and I want to be comfortable. But yeah, I doodle around the neighborhood on it. It goes probably, I don't know, I'm gonna guess 18 miles an hour. I probably could gear it up to go faster, but I like it the way it is, nice and smooth. So let's take it for a ride. So that's it. That's my gas bike. It was a lot of fun to make. Hope you had fun watching. And stay tuned for more videos like this one and quirky videos and maybe some serious videos on how to machine or make knives or make spinners or whatever I can come up with. But I'll make more videos soon. And in the meantime, go make something.